From the station putting local first, this is KTSM 9 News at 6.
I think this is a devastating moment in our country's history.
Abortion is not the only option. In fact, it's probably the worst option.
Demonstrators on both sides of the abortion debate turning out in front of the Supreme Court to make their voices heard. Earlier today, Capitol Police could be seen setting up barriers to keep both groups separated. Officials expect more people to show up throughout the evening. And some of these protests even happening here in El Paso locally. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Andy Morgan.
And I'm Natasha Paloma. KTSM 9 News reporter Stephanie Shields is live in downtown El Paso, where a group of demonstrators are also holding their own protest. And Stephanie, a lot of passion on both sides of this issue. What are people saying out there?
Yes, definitely a lot of passion out here, Natasha. People are out here chanting, "My body, my choice." As you can see out here, there's plenty of people with their signs. One says, "Mind your own uterus" over there. Plenty of people chanting to the federal courthouse, which is right here behind me, as well as out to the streets, trying to protect, they're saying they want to protect their fundamental rights. Now, as we reported, the news organization Politico has obtained a draft of a Supreme Court opinion indicating abortion rights in the 1973 Roe v. Wade decision will be overturned this summer. Should the court overturn Roe versus Wade, states would decide whether to ban abortion. Now, KTSM speaking with political science expert and UTEP professor Dr. Todd Curry about this. He says if overturned, it will completely eliminate a nationally based standard at the minimum level.
We will have 50 standards. Some states will outright ban it. Some states will regulate it more. Some states, like California, will attempt to enshrine it within their state's constitution. So it's really going to be important to vote at the local level, because this issue is absolutely going to play out at the local level.
Now, the leaked opinion has been authenticated. However, it's not a final ruling in the matter, and opinions and votes may change before a final ruling on the case announced later this summer. Now, that ruling is expected to come down in either late June to early July. Now, out here, people are saying, you know, they're going to keep fighting, and they don't want to stop. They're saying they want their voices heard. And, you know, like you said, this is one of several protests happening across the country.
Yeah, and Stephanie, did Dr. Curry discuss what could happen here locally if the Supreme Court decides to overturn Roe versus Wade? I know Texas has its limits on abortion.
Yes, he did mention it. He said here in El Paso, at least there is Mexico and New Mexico just super close to us here. So if people did need access, they do have that short distance. But he does say it could be a different case for people across Texas. And there is a statistic from the Texas Tribune saying that Texans on average would travel about 525 miles round trip to get access to abortion.
All right, our Stephanie Shields reporting there live in downtown in El Paso tonight. Thank you, Stephanie.